What's going on, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Now, behind the scenes, I have been running a little bit of an experiment. And as you guys may have already read by the title of today's video, that experiment is me creating videos like two of these very unique and authentic YouTubers that I have recently discovered. Now, those two YouTubers, you might be wondering, who are they? And they are the Uneducated Economist and Sam Sulek. I decided that after watching their videos and recognizing the changes that have been happening here on YouTube, that I wanted to run a bit of an experiment. And that experiment has to do with my car talk vlogs. If you check out the channels of Uneducated Economist and Sam Sulek, you will see that they are filming videos in their car or even at just their house, but they are just speaking from the heart and being 100% authentic. I love this about the videos because it comes off more natural. It doesn't seem staged or scripted, and it's also way easier to edit. And on the editing note, these videos that these other YouTubers are creating are hardly even edited at all. They don't put any fancy editing into it, any fancy tricks, or anything like that at all in these videos. They are just raw and real, and they are just speaking from the heart, and I truly love that. So what I decided to do here on my channel is to create videos just like these YouTubers and see what would happen to my channel. See what kind of analytics these videos would bring in, and if they would do well on a channel like mine for a small YouTube creator. But there is so much different things to examine, so much different things to take a look at, and all YouTube channels are different. None of them are created equally, so none of them are going to get equal results. And so in today's video, I kind of want to dive into all of that. I want to show my analytics for my videos and kind of take a look at some of these other YouTubers and see what is working for their channel and why it might have worked for their channel. So if you guys are ready to take a look and see this experiment, make sure you smash the like button down below and we'll get on with the rest of the video. Alright, you guys, so like I said, these two YouTubers that I have been taking a look at have really inspired me and made me want to try out the type of content that they're creating. I am very inspired with the type of videos that they make because that's something that I truly could do and I truly enjoy. I love being able to just speak from the heart. I have been told I have the gift of gab, and so not having a script, not having to memorize or read things word for word is where I truly thrive. And so what I decided to do was take my camera with me every time I left my house, and if I had a thought or an idea or some sort of motivational speech that I wanted to elaborate on, I would just turn on my camera and start speaking. And what is so cool is these videos are authentic. These videos hardly have any editing in them for me because I just speak to you guys. And another really cool thing about these videos is that these videos are going to be able to last forever. Motivational content and motivational speeches like this don't expire. The content within those videos are not going to go bad or be irrelevant years down the road. So these videos are going to be able to withstand the test of time, and I'm going to be able to have these videos on my channel for 5, 10, 15, 20 years plus. So I am excited about that. Now, another thing that has been really cool about these videos is they're very easy to do. For me, this might not be very easy for somebody else, or if you're somebody who likes to script and likes to write things and format them in such a way, then these videos might be a little bit harder for you. But with the way that YouTube has been changing, so many other content creators are creating authentic videos, are creating videos that are unedited and unscripted. And that is what is working on YouTube currently. So I decided, why not give it a try? Although my YouTube channel is everywhere and I have a lot of different type of content here on my channel, I still decided to create these motivational type videos, these motivational speech type videos, just to see what would happen. And so let me show you guys and share my screen with you so we can talk about some of these other YouTubers that have given me the inspiration to do this. So the first person I want to talk about is the Uneducated Economist. This channel is really what was my motivating factor behind my videos and why I wanted to do this experiment. So if we look at his page, the first thing you're going to notice is that the Uneducated Economist has 143,000 subscribers and 1.8 thousand videos. So I don't know if you guys have watched one of my last videos, but I'll link it up above. And in that video, I talk about how if you're somebody who is wanting 100,000 subscribers, 1,000,000 subscribers, then you're potentially going to have to create upwards of thousands of videos before you see those results. And the uneducated economist is no different. He actually stands by that 100%. If I go to his oldest videos, you're going to see that he has been making videos for 6 years. So although his channel is growing rapidly and it looks like an excellent channel, you do have to take note that he's been doing this for 6 years and he's been making videos on a consistent basis. Now, something else I want to show you is his style has not changed. He has been making videos in his car, vlogging them himself, and doing zero editing. In fact, he also isn't even creating a custom thumbnail for his videos, as you can see right here. Also, he's not really doing any keyword research or SEO work to title and describe his videos. Some of these videos are very basic with hardly any information on the title. This one right here says, "I'm back. Stella is on its way." A lot of these videos, he didn't even put in that much effort into. Maybe the video itself he did, but like posting it, he didn't. No thumbnail, really no thought on title and description, and he has made a bunch of videos. One thing I am noticing is a lot of these videos from 5-6 years ago don't have a whole lot of views. So I'm going to go over to his popular videos and I want to take a look at that. If you notice on his popular videos, the one thing that stood out to me is most of his popular videos have come more recently. I'm talking about in the past 1 to 2 years. Yes, there's a few videos like this one right here that was 4 years ago, and this one right here that was 3 years ago. But overall, you can see he has 1 year, 1 year, 2 years, 2 years, 1 year, and even 10 months ago for his popular videos. And these videos are getting 500,000 views. So what I can take from this is his channel has grown and took off in the past couple of years. This wasn't something that took off right in the beginning. He had to continue to make videos and stay consistent for around 4 years before his channel really started to blow up. So this is really cool and really interesting because he has 1.8 thousand videos all shot in the same format. And that's not how my channel is. So I can't expect to get the exact same results as him because my channel is a little bit different. But aside from that, I still show that with hard work and consistency, you can grow your channel of any sort. If you just do those things, stay consistent with who you are, be authentic, teach people, entertain people. And when you do that, your channel has the potential to be like the uneducated economist. Now, another YouTube channel I want to show you is Sam Sulek. Sam Sulek is a lot more popular these days because he creates videos in the fitness industry and he has rose to popularity from his YouTube channel. If you check out his channel right here, Sam Sulek has 3.58 million subscribers and only 533 videos. He's a bit of an exception from some of the other things I've talked about, having to have thousands of videos and having to stay consistent for years, because his channel grew almost immediately. People loved his content, people love his style, and are so interested and intrigued with the person that Sam Sulek is. So if you take a look at his videos and we go to his oldest, you're going to see his oldest video was only 1 year ago. So that's quite astonishing. But he's taken his fans and followers on a very unique journey, and he's a very unique person. If you check out his videos, you're going to see that very quickly. Some of his popular videos have 3.9 million views, which is absolutely insane. And then when you check out how long his videos are, they're over an hour long or close to it. And that's also crazy. So Sam Sulek's videos are not really what I base this experiment on, but his authenticity and his way of just speaking from the heart and creating these unedited videos really inspired me to be able to speak and do my motivational speeches from my car. So I don't want to talk too much about Sam Sulek because the uneducated economist is more the route I was going for this experiment. and I was very intrigued and interested in creating content similar to his. So now that I've showed you both Sam Sulek and the Uneducated Economist, I want to show you guys some of my results. So here are the 8 videos that I have created. I have been doing this experiment for 2 months now, and I have posted one car vlog to my channel just about every week for the past 8 weeks. And these are my results. The highest amount of views that I received was 233 views. And the lowest I received was about 115 views for one of the car talk videos. Now, yes, that is very low. It's not what I was expecting. But when I thought about it, it's also not the type of content that people would typically come to my channel to watch. And the reason being is because my channel has really blew up because of the Amazon Influencer Program. People come to my channel for that kind of content, not for motivational speeches or inspiration. Now, I do hope to be able to change that one day, and by continuously making content like this, I think I'll be able to bring in a different type of audience to my channel. But for the time being, and for the sake of this experiment, this is what the results are looking like. I really don't have very much engagement, very low amounts of comments, and very low amounts of likes. I have the highest amounts of likes is 27, and the most amount of comments are around 7. Now, taking the most viewed video with 233 views, I'm going to show you some of the analytics and explain it a little bit. Now, for this video, I only got 233 views. It got 11.3 watched hours. It gained 1 subscriber and has made about $2.30. Now, scrolling down a little bit more, you're going to see the average view duration of this video is only 2 minutes and 54 seconds. My video is 8 minutes and 30 seconds long, but people are only watching for 2 minutes and 54 seconds. The average percentage viewed is 34.1%. Now, this is not great, and a big reason that this is not great is because I'm not hooking the audience right away. I'm not clickbaiting them, I'm really just talking. And the meat of my speech, or the most motivational parts of my speech, come in the middle to the end of the video. And people are not staying long enough to see that. So by looking at this and looking at these analytics, there's a lot of room for improvement that I see. A lot of things I could do differently to make these videos perform better. But on the flip side, I am still very happy with these videos because I truly enjoy doing them. And at the end of the day, that's what matters. Because if you don't enjoy what you're doing, you're not going to be able to keep it up. You're not going to be able to continue doing it for years and years to come. And another thing, like I mentioned earlier in this video, the stuff that I'm saying in these videos are not going to expire. They're not going anywhere, and somebody 10 years from now can need some motivation and find my channel and my videos. And I love that. So there's a lot that can still happen with these videos, but 2 months in, these are the results I'm seeing, and it's really not doing anything for my channel. But that brings me to another topic, guys, and it's very important to find things that you enjoy, find things that you like, because if you continuously do it for years and years, you will find some sort of success. It's hard when you have to fake it till you make it, or make content that you don't truly enjoy. So if you're watching this, take this as your sign to experiment, to try to find something that you like to do, and then do it. Don't worry if it's not producing views, if it's not producing money, if it's not working out for you. If you like it, you will be able to do it for a long time and one day reap the benefits of it. So that's what I'm hoping for these types of videos and for my channel. Now, one last thing, guys, is I want to turn this into another experiment. I want to now go and change the thumbnails of all of these car vlog motivational speech videos and see if that does anything to the videos. Does that revive it? Does that push it out in front of an audience again? Will these videos get more views? And what's going to happen with me putting in a custom thumbnail? So if you're excited to see that experiment, guys, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and leave me a comment down below. It will help me out tremendously. And I'm very excited to see what is going to happen with this new experiment. So guys, thank you so much for staying till this end of this video. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and supporting these motivational videos that I truly enjoy doing. And like I always say at the end of these videos, we are going to do amazing things together. So guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!